In the U.S., millions of doses of the Moderna vaccine are already on their way to hospitals, where doctors and nurses are in full crisis mode. The country's death toll from the virus is close to 315,000. Now, Congress is meeting in a rare Saturday session, debating an aid package to help the millions of Americans struggling. Jennifer Johnson has the latest from Washington.
With Christmas just days away and millions visiting relatives, wait lines for COVID-19 tests in several states are up to 8 hours long. For 3 days in a row, the U.S. has broken records for new infections, while deaths rise to staggering levels.
It's heartbreaking, quite honestly. Young people, old people, people that I'm just now meeting and watching their families be devastated.
But more weapons to fight this pandemic are coming after the U.S. Food and Drug Administration approved a second vaccine, Moderna's, late Friday. It is 94% effective and, unlike the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, does not require extreme cold refrigeration.
We've determined that the vaccine's known and potential benefits clearly outweigh its known and potential risks.
6 million doses are already rolling out, 20 million by the end of December. An accelerated schedule as a handful of state leaders complained they received far fewer Pfizer-BioNTech doses than expected.
So to the governors, to the governors' staffs, please accept my personal apology if this was disruptive in your decision-making.
The federal government is promising more doses soon as hospitals, including now Johns Hopkins in Baltimore, run out of ICU beds.
We will crush this outbreak that has really terrorized us for the last 11 months.
As doctors battle to save lives, Congress is in a battle to save livelihoods. Republicans and Democrats have been locked in negotiations for weeks over a $900 billion coronavirus aid package, extending unemployment benefits and protection from evictions.
The American people have already waited for more assistance longer than they could afford.
A vote is expected Sunday. U.S. President Donald Trump has promised to sign the bill immediately, an early Christmas present for millions of hurting Americans. Jennifer Johnson, Global News, Washington.